Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung Metro 313 dual SIM feature phone. This is one of the retro design phones, retro style phones from the late 90s, early 2000s. Looks like a GSM phone, probably is not. We will check it out, of course. Has a lot of information here. This is a GPRS phone, like I mentioned earlier, of 900 to 1800 megahertz. Not a GSM phone, that is a 5.1 centimeter QQVGA TFT display. Then you have micro SD card slot up to 16 GB, has a VGA camera, USB 1.1 ports, this is micro USB I'm assuming, torch, dual SIM, as mentioned earlier, and Bluetooth. That's more or less it. Everything else is okay. It's written over here, the model number SM-B313E by D. Let's open this box and see what the phone looks like. And that's it. This is what the phone looks like. Let's take a look at this first. Very compact, very light, has a glossy finish, but that's okay. It might attract a little bit of dust, but nothing you can't handle. This is the VGA camera, but with a sticker sticking out of it. This is the micro USB port, and this is of course your 3.5mm port. So let's leave this here and go back to the box. This is a micro USB charger from Samsung. Yes, this is a micro USB charger. This is a pair of headphones, also from Samsung. It's very neatly packed, also has a mobile rocker in it, so I'm not going to unpack it right now. This is of course the user manual, and yeah, this is the SM-B313E user manual. And this over here. And finally we have the battery. This is the this is a lithium-ion battery. Okay, let's open this packet and see what kind of battery this is. So yeah, this is the battery that you insert. This is a 1000 mAh battery. It's written over here. This is a secondary lithium-ion battery of 1000 mAh capacity. So yeah, now we have opened it, and yeah, this is where the battery goes in. These are your two SIM card slots, and this is where the micro SD card slot goes in. You can see this. There you go. Yeah, this is the micro SD card slot. And there's a sticker on top of the camera. I'm going to remove that because it looks weird. And let's insert the battery. Not close it completely because it's super tight, and let's turn this phone on. There you go, SM-B313E by Samsung. Should be a ringtone. That's your Samsung patented ringtone, and there you are. This is what you find inside the box containing the Samsung Metro 313 dual SIM feature phone. Thank you for watching.